If your favorite sounds on TikTok are not showing, start by refreshing the app. Close TikTok completely and reopen it to see if your saved sounds reappear. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent TikTok from loading certain features. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router for a better connection. Make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Open Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and install any available updates. Outdated versions may have bugs and affect saved sounds. Try clearing TikTok's cache. Go to phone settings, find apps, app management, locate TikTok in the list and tap on it. Then go to storage, then tap on clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the issue. Check if TikTok servers are down. Sometimes app features may not work properly due to server issues. You can check TikTok's official social media accounts or websites like Down Detector to see if others are facing the same problem. If the issue persists, log out of your TikTok account and log back in. This refreshes your profile and can restore missing favorites. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall TikTok from the Google Play Store to ensure you have a fresh version of the app. And that's it. Hopefully, your favorite sounds are back. If this video got help, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.